Sir,
Next sir.
good afternoon po. Kumusta naman po?
Okay naman sir. Kala ko.
Sir, oh, partner pala yung ano nyo, kasama nyo. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Good afternoon. Hi ma'am, good afternoon po. Good afternoon, how are you? So hot. Pasok muna kayo dito.
Yes sir, nahasil ka tuloy sa schedule.
Okay lang, no problem yun. So ito talaga yung pinaka-warehouse namin. Dito lahat galing sa South Korea. Dito yung pinakabagsakan ng mga machine.
Sa Imus kasi nung parang Imus pa rin nakalagay eh.
Yung sa Sampaloc, yun yung showroom namin na maliit.
Showroom
Doon na rin
lang
yung head office namin. Ito yung lahat ng mga spare parts, pyesa dito rin.
Nandito lang.
Opo. Pero made in Korea lahat. Si Sir Edgar Talog.
Hello.
Ayan. At si Ma'am Yuji naman po yung Ma'am Yuji.
Hello ma'am.
Inquire sila ng machine sa Shino. So, ito po yung kasama sa machine, pa-life cleaner.
Ito ba yung nakita namin sa kuwan?
Oo.
Sa naka-video.
Oo, sa video, yun po. At ito naman yung rice sorting machine.
Ay, wala sila sir.
Oo po, hiwalay sila. Ang purpose nito, separator ng mga straws, big stones, and then tulyapis, and then impurities, separation. In this separator of broken rice and whole grain for final output.
Nakakabit din siya sir o nakalaglag lang?
Separate po siya pero pwede dito yung machine natin. Ayan. Ito po yung ina-upgrade natin na machine. Na-upgrade. Kasi bago po namin yan di-deliver, ina-upgrade muna, quality control. Ito po yung niya. Ang likod ng machine may belt. Electric motor drive.
How many horsepower?
3.3 horsepower. Big motor is 3 horsepower. And then the small motor is 0.3 horsepower.
All in all, it's 2.0.
Yeah, 2.3. Equivalent of 2.45 kilowatts consumption. So, single phase, 220 volts.
Pwede na
Direct to supply, electric supply.
And you have spare parts?
Yeah, all spare parts is available here. So you can order online also in Messenger or either here. You can direct buy or you can message in group chat in Messenger and we will deliver to your house directly the spare parts. So you want to see actual operation? Okay, let's go there, over there. But it's so hot. It's okay?
No problem.
Is it okay? What's your name, sir?
James.
James, Sir James. Ayan, Miss Ayan. Oh, careful. Pwede tayo mag-demo doon. Demo. We have also bigger machine, 4 tons, 1 ton per hour, but that is made in China. Only here.
Electricity ba?
Electric din.
Electric.
1 ton per hour, 1 ton.
1 ton?
Yeah, 1 ton per hour.
Electric.
Electric, but need a 3-phase transformer.
So it's working 3
Yeah. Unlike this one, this machine is different under monitor under testing with but this is made in China, but we don't yet sell this kind of machine because under observation.
By diesel engine.
Yeah, diesel engine. The capacity of this machine is 500 to 600 kilograms per hour output of rice. But maybe the price of this is 500,000 pesos.
No, we exclude already the diesel engine.
Included.
No,
Oh.
we don't consider
We don't.
what is
Yeah. Yes. Crude is very expensive.
No, but not only for the cost of the diesel, but for the maintenance.
Oh, yeah. That's true. I agree with that.
Very, very.
Yeah. Unlike electricity, is very easy in terms of maintenance. So this is the elevator, and then the hopper for rice feeder, only 2 feet from floor. And then the electric motor is only 1 horsepower. 1 horsepower. And then here the machine, there is 2 switches for big motor and then small motor. The good thing is there is a built-in destoner. That's why there is no stones in rice. Final output clean. No stones and then less broken.
There is a separator.
Yeah, there's a separator. So Sir Sunny can demonstrate how to operate this machine. Okay. Oo, mali. The rice is clean. Malinis na po siya. Wala nang mga dumi-dumi. Clean. And the moisture content of paddy must 14% and below, so that we can get a very good output quality of rice.
In case the MC is not 14 but is 15, the machine how is acting?
Must below 14. Yeah.
In case it is
14% or 13%. If 15, you need to dry in sun.
But if you feed with the 15 MC, what will
Okay. Maybe more broken rice. More broken.
but the machine will not anyhow.
Yeah, can work.
How much is the moisture content if we have to start to build?
14% and below. Oh, 14% and below. finished product na yan. Will melt na po ang bigas, will melt. The capacity is 300 to 350 kilograms per hour. Alright. There is a urethane or inhaler. There is a consumable spare part here. I will explain it to you later after about the consumable spare parts. Yeah. Yeah. All spare parts is available. We don't have problem about the spare parts. Because we have lifetime after service. We have separator or what do you call it? Rice sorting machine. We have rice sorting machine that can separate broken rice and then whole grain. The small one there. That's the purpose. Ganda siya. Is it good for you?
Yeah.
Is it good? Is it good?
It doesn't want.
Yeah. Very good. Ganda sa, di ba? Ano yan kasi sa labas kanina, unang ano niya, sa alam. Kapag pataasan siya, pababa. Ito para sa... It can mill also for brown rice.
Magkano yung selector nyo?
Yung package, whole package with palay cleaner, with the machine and then the selector, the rice sorting machine is 375,000. Included delivery and installation. Complete package. Madali lang siyang i-operate at saka hindi siya magastos sa kuryente. Unlike sa ibang machine, patay on and off mo siya, malaki yung consumption, pero ito hindi. Hindi siya magastos. 350 kilograms per hour. You can customize the hopper. You can upgrade bigger so that you can put 3 sacks or 4 sacks or 5 sacks. You can customize. Sir Sunny is our technician also. He's in charge here. If you buy spare parts, if you visit in this place. Kita nyo na. O, palagi nyo pala makikita dito. Ano po kasi dito, ano rin po kami ng PLDT. Nakalagay dyan PLDT kasi ano rin po kami ng PLDT.
After we produce this rice, if we want to select the good one and the broken one,
Yeah.
what you have any machine?
Yeah. The small one,
Yeah.
here, there.
Is it included or separate?
Is it included in whole package?
There is one machine like this. Package with separate.
Yeah.
Piping one.
Yeah.
Like 6 or 5 or 6.
It can separate broken rice, binled, and then whole grain. Separation.
300 how much?
375,000.
Bottom rice.
It is the bottom price.
Of course, you visit here, we will give you a discount. We can deliver it today, tomorrow. We're very close.
You don't have yet the place.
Yeah. I will send ko sa iyo yung complete requirements sa paglalagyan ng machine.
Kasi we have to warehouse.
Saan po talaga kayo? Sa Kabanatuan kayo?
No, sa Timbangan.
Gimba lang rin.
Pero outside Gimba.
Okay.
City. Kasi
You need to prepare 60 amperes breaker, switch breaker, and then the wirings is 60 amperes, and then the wiring size 10, and then universal outlet like this one, at least 20 amperes or 15 amperes. Importante po yung wire natin, hindi mababa, dapat size 10. Tsaka itong saksakan, dapat kung wala kayong mahanap na 20 amperes, pwede 15 amperes.
pwede connect na sa solar.
If sa solar naman, kapag hybrid, ano kasi to? Total, 3.3 kilowatts consumption. So kung sa solar, times 5 yan eh. Times 5. So meaning, dapat yung solar nito hindi mababa sa 17 kilowatts. Yeah.
Let them take.
Yeah. Yeah. Anytime, if you are decided, yeah. Yeah. Sa Facebook, isa-send ko sa iyo yung requirements.
Okay, sir. Hindi ka taga rito, sir?
Sa Manila kami. Pupunta lang kami dito kasi
Nataon kayo. Nataon naman na.
nagkataon na nag-testing kami sa bagong machine para sa
cold
sibuyas.
Cold storage.
Dryer lang, dryer.
At,
May sibuyas ba kayo na tanim?
wala. Pero tatangan
Dryer. Oh.
Dryer for the onion.
Produkto ang sale.
testing it.
Testing namin. Ikano na to, mga 5 days na testing. Maganda yung result ng sibuyas.
Natutuyo. Ganon.
Natutuyo at saka ma-preserve.
Preserve.
Imbes na masira, mas preserve siya up to 6 months. Hindi siya mabubulok. Kaya sobrang, lalo na ngayon, mura yung sibuyas. Kapag meron kang machine, stock mo yung sibuyas, ibenta mo pag mahal mo yung sibuyas.
Okay, sir. 5 days na mo.
O 5 days na yan. Maganda yung result.
After 5 days, universal storage ng gano'n.
Ayun.
Kailangan continuous ng ganito.
Hindi, bali ito, dalawang testing namin ito. Walang bubong, walang atok. Yun, may rope. Inano namin kung ano yung difference na result. O kung saan sa kanila yung mas maganda.
Hindi pinapagod ko na, sir. Ano, pinadrayan ko ng ganyan.
Oh,
After 5 days na. Hanggang kailan po pinadrayan?
ano lang, 2 to 3 weeks lang. Continuous.
After magpuli na siyang storage sa normal machine.
Oh, storage mo lang. Basta may hangin lang. Huwag lang close. Ano to kasi, fan lang naman yan. Parang ano lang siya. At saka hindi ka magastos sa kuryente. Tipid sa kuryente. 1.75 kilowatts lang yan. Yun lang. Pero yung sibuyas na maganda yung result. Saan yung sibuyas?